Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to make the perfect latte with your InstaCuppa Espresso Maker. Begin by filling the water tank to its maximum capacity. Now turn on your InstaCuppa Espresso Maker by pressing the power button. Attach the 1 cup filter by turning it clockwise. Add a generous scoop of your favorite ground coffee. Distribute coffee evenly for a balanced flavor. Tamp the coffee grounds firmly to achieve that perfect espresso base. Lock in the portafilter by turning it anti-clockwise. Press the 1 or 2 cup button to initiate the brewing process to start brewing. Watch the rich, aromatic espresso pouring, making a perfect start for your tasty latte. Now press the steam button to prepare for steaming your milk. Take 100 ml of chilled milk, insert the steaming wand into the milk, ensuring it's submerged about 2 cm. Turn the knob up to the steaming icon to froth the milk. Move the jug up and down to create a perfect creamy froth. Turn off the knob when the milk reaches the desired frothiness. Wipe the sand with a wet sponge and gently pour the froth milk into your perfectly brewed espresso. Press the steam button again to reset for brewing the next cup of coffee. Congratulations! You have just created a barista-worthy latte with your InstaCuppa Espresso Maker.